Hi guys, today I want to share with you this very simple hairstyle that I did on my old twist. So let's head into it. Yeah. So like I said, I did this hairstyle on my old twist. So my hair was in a twist, and I decided to, change the hairstyle a bit because it had taken a long time in that twist, and I just wanted to switch it up. Yeah, so all that I did was to take the twist out. I used a mousse to style this twist. So it was a mousse that I used to do the twists. And you know that mousses, what they do is to help create long lasting twist outs. Okay. If you want your twist out to last longer, you need to use a mousse instead of a cream styler. Like, yeah. So this was a mousse that I used, and I decided that I'm taking down the twist. I'm doing an updo with it. So what I'm doing is just taking down the twists, and the twists were in place for about a week. Yes, then I decided to take it down, and so you can see that even during the process of taking the twist, it was really seamless, and also the definition was there because the twist was in a bun. You can see that it doesn't look that straight, but let me tell you, this was really good because it also gave me volume. And that is another thing about using mousses for your twist. You are going to get the volume, girl, because mousses have that feature of providing volume and also providing definition. So I took part, not everything, just a little of it, and just wanted to show you how you can style it just like this. You can see the definition is there, and I'm just tying the with a rubber band, and then this is what we have. This is a great way to also wear the style, but this was not the main focus here. So I decided to, do the updo that I wanted to do. So all I am doing is just twisting, just it's a very loose twist, not anything at all, because I want the curls or the definition to be there, and I'm just securing the ends with a rubber band, a smaller those type of smaller rubber bands. Yeah, and I'm doing the same for the other section. So I divided the hair into two sections as it was already, and then putting the rubber band in place. So this is basically what I have. Now the next thing I'm doing is just trying to secure this with a bobby pin at the back, just exactly like how you see me do. It's rather unfortunate that my camera was a bit dark at this moment. I don't know why, but apparently all I did was to just secure the two parts in a bobby pin. And the next thing I did was to use my rubber band just as I did for the previous style to secure it in place. Just tuck the ends in, and then we have here our style. Like, this is a very simple style to do. You don't need to do much. Like, you don't need to do much. Now the next thing I'm doing is just, as you know, I'm not a fan of lay edges, but because this was an old style, I decided to make it look more like new. Okay, so I'm adding my gel to the ends, to the edges, sorry, to make it like new, fresh, and was just enough for Monday for work. And so, I mean, it has to be on point as usual. So, the next thing I'm doing is wearing my scarf. Scarves are very important when it comes to hairstyling because it helps to keep the hair in place. And usually, when you take it down, like, girl, just see this transformation. Yeah. So, this is what we have out of the style. A very simple updo, but this girl is very great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.